Welcome to our new IFRS Educational Fund Series. It is an initiative of OJ Institution Limited. It is dedicated to providing complementary and supplementary education on international financial reporting standards IFRS through a multiple choice question and answer approach. It is intended to make learning or intellectual assurance fun. In this session, we shall be considering 10 questions of set 1 to which the answers have been provided on IAS 24. This is the standard on related party disclosures. Viewers or subscribers have 30 seconds to select or choose the answer to each question. The answers to the 10 questions are revealed at the end of all the questions. Please enjoy it. Question number 1. IAS 24 is not applied in one of the following. A. Identifying related party relationships. B. Identifying related party balances. C. Identifying parties in the same industry. D. Identifying outstanding balances with related parties. E. Identifying commitments with related parties. Time counts. Ten seconds gone. 20 seconds gone. Time up. Question number 2. In the wording of IAS 24, one of the following is not associated with key management personnel. A. Authority. B. Planning. C. Directing. D. Controlling. E. Followership. Time counts. 10 seconds gone. 20 seconds gone. Time up. Question number 3. Which of the following may not be related parties? A. Two entities that are joint ventures of the same third party. B. Two joint venturers that share joint control of a joint venture. C. An entity that provides key management personnel services to the reporting entity. D. An entity together with reporting entity are members of the same group. E. An entity that is an associate or joint venture of another entity. Time counts. 10 seconds gone. 20 seconds gone. Time up. Question number 4. One of the following are related parties to a reporting entity. A. Trade union. B. Public utilities. C. Providers of finance. D. Franchisor. E. None of the above. Time counts. 10 seconds gone. 20 seconds gone. Time up. Question number 5. Which of the following compensations of key management personnel are required to be disclosed by IAS 24? A. Other long-term benefits. B. Share-based payment. C. Post-employment benefits. D. Short-term employee benefits. E. All of the above. Time counts. 10 seconds gone. 20 seconds gone. Time up. Question number 6. Identify from the following parties the ones that are not related. A, parents and the subsidiaries. B, key management personnel of a parent and the subsidiaries of that parent. C, two entities with common member of key management personnel. D, fellow subsidiaries. E, an entity with its associates. Time counts. 10 seconds gone. 20 seconds gone. Time up. Question number 7. Which of the following disclosures is not done by a reporting entity with respect to related party transactions of a period? A, the amount of the transactions. B, the history with the related party. C, the amount of the outstanding balances. D, the expense recognized during the period on bad debts due from related parties. E, the allowance of credit loss related to the amount of outstanding balances. Time counts. 10 seconds gone. 20 seconds gone. Timer. Question number 8. What holds with respect to a parent and its subsidiaries from the following? A, relationships between a parent and its subsidiaries are disclosed only when there are transactions between them. B, relationships between a parent and its subsidiaries are not disclosed where there are no transactions between them. C, relationships between a parent and its subsidiaries are not disclosed irrespective of whether there are transactions between them. D, relationships between a parent and the subsidiaries are disclosed irrespective of whether there are no transactions between them. E, relationships between a parent and the subsidiaries are irrelevant for related party disclosure. Time counts. 10 seconds gone. 20 seconds gone. Time up. Question number 9. One of the following standards has no relatedness with IAS 24. A, IFRS 12. B, IAS 19. C, IAS 27. D, IAS 28. E, IAS 36. Time counts. 10 seconds gone. 20 seconds gone. Time up. Question number 10. IAS 24 does not deal with which of the following? A, recognition. B, measurement. C, classification. D, presentation. E, all of the above. Time counts. 10 seconds gone. 20 seconds gone. Time up. We proceed to reveal the answers. Question number 1. The answer to question number 1 is C, identifying parties in the same industry. IAS 24 is applied in the matters or items covered in options A, B, D, and E. It does not cover identifying parties in the same industry. The standard does not deal with identifying parties in the same industry or competitors unless the competitors on their own ordinarily are related parties. C is the answer to question number 1. Question number 2. The answer to question number 2 is E, followership. The word followership has nothing to do with the meaning of key management personnel under the standard. Key management personnel, in line with the standard, are those persons having authority and responsibility for planning, directing, and controlling the activities of the entity, directly or indirectly, including any director, whether executive or otherwise, of that entity. E is the answer to question number 2. Question number 3. The answer to question number 3 is B. Two joint venturers that share joint control of a joint venture. While a related party is defined as a person or entity that is related to the reporting entity, two venturers are not related parties simply because they share joint control of a joint venture. B is the answer to question number 3. Question number 4. The answer to question number 4 is E, none of the above. That the parties in the options have relationship or repeated relationship with a reporting entity does not make them related parties on that ground. Control, joint control, significant influence, and their spillover effects are the determinants in the relationship between any party and reporting entity in the ascertainment of related party relationships. E is the answer to question number 4. Question number 5. The answer to question number 5 is E, all of the above. All categories of employee benefits of key management personnel are required to be disclosed, including share-based payment to key management personnel. E is the answer to question number 5. Question number 6. The answer to question number 6 is C, two entities with common member of key management personnel. That two entities have common member of key management personnel does not simply make them related parties. Individuals sit as directors in two or more companies, and it does not affect or influence relationship or transactions between the companies. C is the answer to question number 6. Question number 7. The answer to question number 7 is B, the history with the related party. All of the items of disclosure in the options, except for option B, are required to be disclosed by a reporting entity on related party transactions covered by the financial statements. The history with the related party is not one of them. B is the answer to question number 7. Question number 8. The answer to question number 8 is D. Relationships between a parent and its subsidiaries are disclosed irrespective of whether there are transactions between them. IAS 24 provides that the requirement to disclose related party relationships between a parent and its subsidiaries is in addition to the disclosure requirements of IAS 27 and IFRS 12, which ordinarily require the relationships to be disclosed. D is the answer to question number 8. Question number 9. The answer to question number 9 is E, IAS 36. IAS 36 is a standard on impairment of assets. IAS 36 deals with most non-current assets impairment. IAS 19 deals with employee benefits. IAS 27, separate financial statements. IAS 28, investment in associates and joint ventures. And IFRS 12, disclosure of interest in other entities. Apart from IAS 36, all other standards in the option have information about key management personnel, parents, associates, joint ventures, and other entities from which related parties and related party transactions can be ascertained. E is the answer to question number 9. Question number 10. The answer to question number 10 is E, all of the above. IAS 24 deals with identification of related party relationships and related party transactions and information involved therein with the ultimate aim of making disclosures about them. It is a disclosure standard which does not deal with recognition, measurement, classification, and presentation of elements of financial statements. E is the answer to question number 10. That is all for this set. Thank you for joining us for the set one of IAS 24 related party disclosures. We invite you to subscribe to our channel, share our links, and invite those in your network to do the same. This will enable you and all other subscribers get direct notifications on future video uploads. We intend to cover all of the standards in this framework and create further sets of questions and answers on standards already covered. For collaboration in this area, please call or WhatsApp +2349030770109. All rights to this production and others in the series are reserved for OJ Inspiration Limited. Thank you once again and bye for now.